farmers. The people who have not worked even a single day in the farming sector, they don't know ABC of the farmers. They are making all those policies, and these, my friends, 5,000 of them, they are supporting them, and you can imagine those 5,000 people can spread the message to all over India. So those people, वो जो लोगों को साड़ा मैसेज उन्हें हिंदी च भी पहुंचा करना चाहिए, ਜਿਹੜੀ ਕਿ ਉੱਥੋਂ ਦੀ ਆਮ ਭਾਸ਼ਾ ਹੈ। और ये जोर लगाओ कि साडा मैसेज जड़ा है आवाम जी जनता, हिंदुस्तान की जनता, भारत की जनता जी है, गरीब है, दलित है, वो हिंदू ने, मुसलमान ने, उतों तक साड़ी आवाज़ पहुंचे ताकि वो भी साडे नाल जुड़न। वो साडे तो अलग थलग पे हुए ने, उन्होंने ये पता ही नहीं कि ये की हो रहा है। उन्होंने सिर्फ ये पता कि आके इकट्ठे हो गए फार्मर, उन्होंने रस्ते बंद किए हुए हैं, उन्होंने कहा जा रहा है कि ये गंद फैला रहे हैं, इन्होंने यातायात रोकया हुआ, होर कुछ सब किया हुआ। और जो मीडिया, जो कंगना रनौत वर्गे जड़ियां हस्ती की कहना, मैं मेरे को शब्द नहीं, वो जी मैं नहीं शब्द बोलना चाहता। वो जो लोग जड़े ने वो बहुत गंद फैला रहे हैं, और जो दूसरी जी बाकी की जनता है उन्होंने दूर कर रहे हैं। साडा ये सारे मीडिया का तुहानू भी बहुत वधिया कर रहे हो, इस पासे भी थोड़ा जोर लाओ कि साडी आवाज़ उत्थे उस जनता तक 80% जनता तक किवें पहुंचे। दूसरी गल मैं सिर्फ संखेप दे विच बाकी सारे दस गए ने, मे बी द पीपल who really came late or who may be not knowing, I'll just in a few sentences tell you what the problem is. Farmers do not accept these 3 new legislations. Since the state government will not be able to collect market fee, cess levy or trade outside the APMC market, farmers believe the law will gradually end the mandi system where they sell their crops and leave farmers at the mercy of corporates. Farmers believe that dismantling mandi system will bring an end to assured procurement of their crops at MSP, minimum support price or minimum sale price. Similarly, farmers believe the price assurance legislation may offer protection to farmer against price exploitation but will not prescribe the mechanism for price fixation. Farmers are demanding the government guarantee MSP in writing, or else the free hand given to private corporates houses will lead to their exploitation. The RTIAs, the people in the mandis, commission agents and farmers, RTIAs and farmers enjoy a friendship and bonding that goes back decades. On average, at least 50 to 100 farmers are attached with each RTIA. One RTIA, one village, 50 to 100 people are attached to them. They can go and get the money anytime they want. In the middle of the night, if their son or daughter is sick, their parents are sick, they can go and ask the money or ask the help. Who take care of farmer financial loans and ensures timely procurement and adequate prices for their crop. Farmers believe the new laws will end their relationship with these agents, and corporates will not be as sympathetic towards them in the time of need. So that's what I want to say. Please spread your voices, your agitation to rest of the India. Thank you. Welcome to your Khalsa. Welcome to your Fateh. Our next speaker, Jaswinder Singh Uncle. Waheguru Ji Ka Khalsa.